This one is a little more interesting than the last, how to bring in the scanner in a really quick way. So let me walk you through that. So the first thing you're going to notice is you're probably going to try copy my keystrokes there, which was I typed scan and press tab, and it doesn't work. Well, that's because there is no quick way to bring in the scanner into NetBeans, probably because you name the scanner each time, right? And you pass it a different argument rather than system.in every time. You could call it keyboard or you could call it input. So of course there isn't a shortcut, it doesn't know what you want to name it. Now, what we can do is we can create our own shortcuts. So in this video, you're not only going to learn how to create a scanner shortcut, but anything you can come up with. You know, sout gives you system.out.println, so you could do one for print. But in this particular example, I'm going to walk you through the scanner. In order to do that, I have stretched my screen a little bit so you can see my tabs up here. I am going to select Tools, I'm going to go to Options, and from here, you want to hit Editor, and then Code Templates. Okay, so once more, that is Tools, Options, Editor, Code Templates right here. Now, these are all the built-in shortcuts. I can prove that to you by finding sout. You can see that that exists right here. We can create our own. So the abbreviation is what you're going to want to type for this to happen. So I'm going to say scan is what I want to type. You could abbreviate that to SC or something else. I'm going to go with scan, press OK. And then down here, tab will auto-complete it. You can change that if you would like. Where it says expanded text, this is what you would like to expand it to. So scanner scan equals new scanner system.in. You can tell I've typed that too many times. But make sure that is exactly how you want it, name it appropriately, finish the semicolon on the end, press apply, press OK. And now, when you type scan and press tab, you get your scanner. You will have to bring in the import statement manually. Let me show you. So scan tab does bring in my scanner, but I still have to import it through the util class. And again, tools, options, create a new abbreviation. You can create a shortcut for anything you'd like. So hopefully this was a useful one. Before we finish this one up, it was important to note that if you do create a manual shortcut such as this, it will only be applied to the system you're on. So if you're working on a laptop and then you move to your desktop, you'll also have to create that shortcut on your desktop. It's not going to travel with you because you created it on that local system.